you believe say na 20k carry me come this level.
Your name? Can you tell the people your name?
Okay, my name is Obibuako Solomon Chidebere, but popularly known as King Solz FX.
You're Igbo.
No Igbo can now, what Igbo?
Aye, Narise. Which part from Igbo?
Imo State.
Imo State. I mean, so when do you start Forex trading?
2019. But that wasn't really Forex because I started with binary option.
Okay.
That's Binomo.
Yeah.
A year shaking, a lie. But then Forex itself, because from Binomo I entered into V75, that's synthetic indices. I guess that was where I actually lost most of my money. Yeah. Till now, the Forex itself came in 2020. Yeah, 2020 to 2021.
So what was that change that made you profitable? What made you profitable as a trader?
Change?
Yeah, what was that tweak you did that made you profitable as a trader? For you to be able to purchase that crazy car we saw outside?
It was going for the right mentorship group. The right mentorship group was the liberation, honestly.
What mentorship group was that?
Mahad FX.
Mahad.
Yes. Yeah, a little of ZM Capital. Mahad is in Dubai now too.
For that mentorship, was it free?
Nah, free. Free will take me to where I am now. I actually paid $140 for Mahad mentorship and $250 to ZM Capitals. But not as if I didn't pay for that mentorship, but the liberation, the change was the two groups here. I actually came as a smart money concept.
So when you were trading, where did you see yourself? Why did you start trading?
When did I start trading?
Why did you start trading? Like why? What was the reason?
Because I want to make money.
Why that broke?
I broke past broke. Bro, I was slim, man.
So guys, all these cars you see him driving, don't think that it just happened overnight. The man has really suffered. I bless him, I cry for him. What keeps you going even when you're not profitable around that 2019, 2020, before you met Mahad? What kept you going?
So it was as if I was in a tunnel, like a big hole. Yeah? And I kept seeing this tiny light above me. But then I had to stretch my hand. But it took me long. I don't know, was it a trance or so? But I had to, still stretch my hand till I was able to, and it's as if I'm not sure somebody dragged me out. I was still struggling to come out because of the little light I saw. But the closer I stretch my hand, the wider the light becomes.
So if you're to start Forex, what's that thing you have to change?
If I'm to start
Forex today, from afresh, what's that thing you will change? You could have done better if you're starting.
I wouldn't have wasted my time, honestly. That's what I would have changed, Wasting my time trying to do all that type of business. I would have just started early. Like my mentors. Started from the age of 14. Come on.
They say they say one thing go kill a man. If no be woman, na money,
Okay.
or na drink. What do you think say go kill you?
Me? Na lack of money.
What did he say?
I like this guy. Because no how woman no fit kill me. Too much money no fit kill me. So na lack of money go kill me.
So coming up from the trenches, from the hood, as you always say, and now seeing yourself, what is it when you look back? What do you tell yourself?
King Solz, you try you. Wallahi ta'ala, you try. See, somehow it is easy. It's just there should be that hunger. if you know day like this, that one cannot dey because plenty people have the privilege to do some things, but something no dey push them. You get, and me, that's why till now to come and reside in island sef still dey do me somehow because it's too quiet for me. My babe will still say it. I went to Dapowu side, see how quiet it is. Solomon, you no fit live in the Caribbean. I say, I no fit now. It's too quiet. So it has been my thing. So if person to say want make something like this, you go make am now.
How you living now?
Me, how am I living now?
How are you living now?
I'm living like a king, go. Hey, this way you say nobody fit dey tell me any rubbish again. Each time you say I won't go bath, I gats wait for person make him bath finish.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
What advice will you give to all these youngins that want to enter Forex? What do you think? What do you really have to tell them?
See, Forex a scam.
This scam. Why do you say so?
Because that then guys choose now. You have to choose whether it's a scam or not. Because if I say okay, Forex is legit, you will still tell me that Forex is a scam. So go. Forex is for only people that are ready for it. Forex is very, very greedy and selfish. It needs time. It's going to really consume your time, consume you itself. I heard something from Dapowu today. He said it doesn't force people. It discourages people to trade. You understand? And I was like, that makes sense. So if they come, just discourage them first, because it's only the ones that are hungry for it.
So what's the biggest profits you've ever made as a Forex trader?
Biggest profit?
Yeah.
$15,000.
At a stretch, like once.
Yeah.
Nice.
$15,000.
What's the biggest loss as a trader?
My biggest loss?
Yeah.
The loss I got was from a $10,000 account. My personal money.
How do you feel after that loss?
I won't die. Because honestly, my background is not the type that just is from the
Silver spoon.
that kind of things now.
Yeah.
So like so me coming out of there like this, I try.
Big congrats, man. Big congrats. So what kept you going?
Fear of poverty, bro. Honestly, you can never be scared than when somebody tells you that you'll be poor the next day. See, people can be scared of poverty than death.
Yeah.
Yes.
Do you have a mentorship group that you teach people how to trade?
Definitely. I'm a mentor and I have a mentorship group. I have over 600 students now.
How well are they doing?
They are doing great, honestly. Especially the fact that I bought the new field zone thingy, so I think it's what that is skyrocketing now.
So guys, if you really want to join the mentorship, the link is on the description. So what's that thing you have always admired that you never got to for yourself?
Me? It's money.
What?
There's this kind of money you want. $1 million. $1 million. If you have it to my account, like it's down. I'm not gonna trade again.
Got it! Or you have other businesses that you do?
So yes, currently I still do graphic design. Yeah, but I don't I do it only if it's a big contract. So I don't do, and I focus mainly on logos. Yeah.
So before you entered Forex, you had something you are doing.
Definitely.
So Forex was not just like, so you had something that was fueling Forex.
Before you join Forex, man, you should have this money streaming income stuff. So if it is not coming in, forget Forex.
So for everyone out there, regardless of where you're coming from, be it trenches, be it wealthy life or anything, we don't care. So long as he can make it out from the trenches, trust me, you can. To be honest, you can. The only thing he says is what? Willingness. You have to be willing, Abi.
Yeah.
You guys be willing.
You have to be eager. You have to learn, honestly.
telling you.
If you don't have that positive spirit.
Yeah.
You know, if I want to learn something from you now,
Yes.
I go, you get, you go teach me.
Yeah.
You get.
Yeah.
But if I don't want to, I don't go get them. And they say something where you don't know, it pass you.
And Forex is taking over,
And
to be honest.
definitely, Forex is a profession on its own.
That's so good to hear. It's very good for having me here. I'm very excited to
No
know.
problem.
Seriously. I'm very.
Welcome,
Now your car. You go buy bigger one. I say very sure. What's your dream car?
My dream car,
Yeah.
now Benz convertible. That's Benz convertible. S something, S63. I mean,
you know they do
Benz
it.
convertible. I see that thing for picture. Well, I go buy it.
You go buy her.
No,
Inshallah. Inshallah. Nice. Alright. Peace out, guys. Like that.